inches come through. Now sit up straight. Is you right? This video is about you, so I need you to cooperate. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am finally back with another video. Like promised, I'm back here with an updated aloe vera video for you guys. I told you guys that I was on the road to growing my hair back. If you have not checked that video, I did about a month ago with my aloe vera to promote hair growth. Then I'll be sure to link that down below. But I'm back and I'm better. And I'm consistent, so can y'all clap it up for me one time for the one time? Can y'all clap it up for me? And I came through with my promise. Before we even get into this video, don't even look at how. Really? You ain't trying to be on the camera? Bad. Chill. Anyway, I'm back today to do an updated video to show you guys how my hair has been looking. I've been doing an aloe vera treatment for about 30 days now, and your girl has been consistent. I put it in the work to get this hair right, and I hope that you guys been doing it with me. So today what I'm gonna do is apply it into my hair one more time for you guys, and then I'm gonna show you guys exactly how my hair looks, how it feels, and I'm also gonna do a link check. So if you guys are excited, like I'm excited, because I'm hoping that I grew at least a ½ inch. I feel like my hair has been growing. I can see an overall difference in my hair for these past couple of days. I've been so consistent with this regimen. Now, I hope you guys went and got your aloe. This is the day that we are revealing. We're gonna see if our hair grew. We're gonna see if we got some good results. Aloe vera is the key. This is bae. Bae saves lives. As you can tell, my hair is looking real rough right now. That's all right, we about to fix that. I didn't want to come on with my hair looking all glowed up and looking all pretty, because then you won't be able to see. So before we get into the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click that bell so you never miss when your girl uploads a video, and let's do what we have to do. I'm about to go mix the aloe vera up right now, blend it up. We're gonna mix it up, we're gonna get it right, we're gonna do what we gotta do. And then I'm gonna come back on here. If you're new to my channel, you're not sure how to make the aloe vera mix, then you can check out my videos down below and I'll show you exactly how to prepare it. It's super duper easy. We good. I done mixed it up. And this is what it's looking like. I didn't even put it in my applicator bottle. I'm ready to just dump the whole thing on my head because I'm so in love with this. I found a new love. It's a love that I can't describe. So y'all already know what I do. I'm gonna section my hair off a little something. It's not looking good. I already washed my hair, so it's not dirty. I don't know if I detangled it, but normally my hair would be damp. You can apply it to your hair damp or wet. I don't really care. I just put it on my head. But if your hair is like really tangled, of course you want to detangle your hair before you put the goods in your hair. There's no particular way to do it. Just smack it on. Don't be scared to apply it to your scalp and them ends, because them ends be looking real raggedy. You can add some oils or you can add another conditioner to it, because this does not smell the best. The best way I can describe it, it smells like underarms, or you just left the gym. All right, we coming back to life. Baby, this side that's crunchy, look like somebody took a lighter and just burnt this. Hang somewhere. It's growing. I ain't got time to play with this. We're just gonna saturate that bad boy. We're gonna go like this. I'm gonna moisturize. What y'all think? This side gave me trouble. I had knots. I should have really detangled my hair first. Make sure you detangle your hair before you do this. I'd be crazy if I just poured this on my damn head, right? I'm gonna make a mess, but you know what? We're gonna just pour this. I need every ounce. And it's all right. I'm gonna clean up my floors when I'm done. Nope. Damn. So now that I applied it all over my hair, I'm just gonna take the rest of the leaf and I'm just gonna rub it around my edges. So all of this counts, you hear me? All of this counts. You need all of this goodness, all these nutrients in your scalp. And I'm just gonna go around them edges. The edges be trying to play me. My edges stay falling out. Y'all feel it working? Yes, sis, yes. Rub that on that scalp. Get it all in there. Stimulate them follicles, baby. I'm just gonna give myself a nice quick rub. If you want to, you can add a conditioner of your choice just to really get that extra moisture that your hair may need. And you can add essential oils. I did it in my last video, but for this video, I just did straight aloe vera. You gotta talk to your hair. Tell them you should grow. More hair, Lord, more hair. Now we're gonna wrap the hair up. You don't have a plastic cap? Use a plastic bag. I'm gonna let this sit in for about 20-30 minutes. We're gonna rinse it out and then we're gonna see the results and we're gonna do a link check. I'll be back. I done rinsed it out. I don't wash it out. A lot of you guys asked me what I did in my last video. I don't use any shampoo. I just rinse it out with cool water. We're gonna put a picture up here and we're gonna see. We're gonna do a comparison. But my hair is growing so long. Wow. Came through again. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 30 days. The aloe vera is the plug. Under $3, go get you some. Aloe vera is just, it's all natural and it really helps to promote hair growth. It's very natural. It can't harm your hair. You can't use too much. You can't damage your hair, and it really helps to promote hair growth. It basically just regrows your hair. It helps to define your curls. It helps to put moisture back into your hair. It's great for your body. It's great for everything. And you can leave the aloe in your hair if you like to. For me, I feel like my hair, like I said, it starts to itch a little bit, but I think I want to do another challenge where I leave the aloe vera in my hair for 30 days. Like literally apply it to my scalp every single night, put a cap on it, and then rinse it out, and then repeat that for 30 days to see if I can get even more length. But this has only been 30 days and you guys can clearly see a big difference in my hair. And I think my hair grew maybe, I don't know, maybe an inch. Maybe an inch or two. What do you guys think? Definitely grew. I am here for it, okay? So my hair feels beyond healthy, okay? So yeah, this is your girl's 30-day update with the aloe vera, and the proof is in the pudding. If y'all don't believe me, there you go, right now. If you're just jumping onto the bandwagon right now, just go to the store and go get you some aloe vera. Make sure you have it on deck. Keep it in stock. Keep it in the refrigerator. You can cut you some aloe up. You can keep it in little baggies. Keep it in the refrigerator. Don't keep it in the refrigerator too long because then it starts turning colors and it gets nasty. But be consistent with this and you won't be disappointed. Like, you will not be disappointed. And we're going to keep doing this until sis get the inches that she wants. Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. Y'all can see for yourself that hair done grew. What other products you know gonna grow your hair like this in 30 days? Natural. What other ones? Unless you're taking some hair vitamins. And even still, it's not a guarantee. Comment down below what you guys think about my results. Comment down below what your hair goal length is and where you are with your hair, where you're standing with your hair right now. If you guys want me to do more hair hacks and a whole bunch in the archives, I'm gonna put y'all on. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe yet, I think you should subscribe today. I just put you on to something. I'm about to change your hair game for you. I'm about to change it all up for you. So hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you never miss when I upload a video, and your girl's out.